Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you are going to learn how to fix your Ring Spotlight camera going offline again and again. Now this is a common issue and it can usually be fixed with a few simple steps. So first of all, on your Ring Spotlight camera, the weak Wi-Fi is really one of the very first common causes. So you need to make sure that your camera is not too far from the router. If the signal is weak, you can move the router closer or you can use a Wi-Fi extender. Then you just have to turn off the camera and remove its battery. After doing this, simply wait for 30 seconds. Then you just have to turn it back on. This particular step also going to fix the connection related issues. Now you need to make sure that your Wi-Fi is also working properly. You can restart your router if needed. If your internet connection is unstable, the camera may go offline frequently. Now, if your camera is battery powered, you can check if the battery is low. If it is low, you can either recharge or replace it. Now, the low power can also cause the disconnection, so you need to make sure that the battery is full. Now, you can also open the Ring application and check for any updates available. Keeping your device updated also going to help you fix the bugs and improve the stability. Even after doing all of these steps, the issue still continues. You can remove the camera from the application and then you can set it again. Then you can reconnect it to your Wi-Fi network. So if this video helped you fix this particular issue, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.